Welcome to today's tutorial. We're excited to have you here as we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on video creation. In this video, we will explore the incredible power of AI in video creation. From automating tedious tasks to enhancing creative possibilities, AI is revolutionizing the way we produce videos. Specifically, we'll dive into how to use invideo-io and discuss its potential impact on the future of video making. This tool is designed to simplify the video creation process, making it accessible to everyone. Imagine being able to produce high-quality videos with just a few clicks. No extensive editing skills required. With AI, even beginners can create professional-looking content effortlessly. Many successful YouTubers are already leveraging AI video generators to manage multiple channels efficiently, allowing them to produce more content in less time. This technology enables creators to focus more on content creation and less on the technical aspects, freeing up time for brainstorming and innovation. Stay tuned as we break down the steps to get you started with invideo-io. We'll guide you through the entire process from setting up your account to creating your first video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to unlock the full potential of this revolutionary tool and take your video creation skills to the next level. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon that many wealthy individuals and successful YouTubers are using to dominate the online video space: AI video generators. These advanced tools are not just for tech enthusiasts, they're becoming essential for anyone serious about scaling their content production. Imagine being able to run multiple YouTube channels all by yourself, without the need for a large team. That's exactly what AI video generators allow you to do. By automating the video creation process, you can produce a high volume of quality content in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Take a moment to think about the possibilities. You could manage one channel dedicated to tech reviews, another for lifestyle tips, and yet another for travel vlogs, all simultaneously. The AI handles the heavy lifting, from scripting to editing, freeing you up to focus on your creative vision and strategy. This isn't just theory, it's already happening. Many top-tier YouTubers and digital entrepreneurs are leveraging AI video generators to reach a wider audience and maximize their revenue streams. They can upload fresh content more frequently, keeping their audience engaged and coming back for more. And it's not just about quantity. AI video generators like invideo ensure that the quality of your videos remains consistently high. The AI analyzes your input, selects appropriate visuals, and even adds engaging transitions and effects, making your videos look professionally edited. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator looking to expand your empire or a newbie aiming to make a mark, AI video generators can be your game changer. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how you can use these powerful tools to earn money online in the next section. One of the most impressive features of AI video generators is their ability to offer a wide range of templates and styles. You can easily customize these templates to fit your brand's unique voice and aesthetic, ensuring that each video feels personal and engaging. The AI even suggests elements like music, text overlays, and animations that can enhance your content, making the creative process smoother and more intuitive. Traditional video editing can be time-consuming and requires a certain level of expertise. However, with AI video generators, even those with minimal technical skills can produce professional quality videos. This efficiency allows you to plan and schedule your content more effectively, ensuring a steady stream of videos that keep your audience engaged. Additionally, many AI video generators come with built-in analytics tools that help you track the performance of your videos. This data is invaluable for understanding what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your strategy over time. Imagine celebrating milestones like reaching a certain number of subscribers or views, all thanks to the efficiency and quality provided by AI video generators. The success stories are numerous, with creators from various niches sharing how AI has transformed their content production process. As AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for content creation are virtually limitless. The future of video production is here, and it's more accessible than ever. So, whether you're thanking your audience for their support or engaging with them in the comments, AI video generators can help you maintain a strong connection with your viewers. From tutorials and vlogs to reviews and lifestyle videos, the versatility of AI video generators means you can explore multiple content types without feeling overwhelmed. The creative freedom these tools provide allows you to brainstorm and execute new ideas quickly, keeping your content fresh and exciting. Managing multiple projects simultaneously becomes a breeze, giving you the ability to scale your content production like never before. Reflecting on your journey, you'll see how far you've come and how much more you can achieve with the help of AI video generators. Setting future goals and planning your next steps becomes an exciting endeavor, knowing you have the tools to bring your vision to life. Join the ranks of successful content creators who have harnessed the power of AI. The future of content creation is here, and it's time for you to take advantage of it. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how you can use these powerful tools to earn money online in the next section. Ready to turn your ideas into cash with just one click? Imagine being able to transform your creative thoughts into a steady stream of income without needing to invest in expensive equipment or software. Keep watching, because we're about to show you how you can do just that. Meet AI.e in invideo-io, your new best friend for video creation. This platform is revolutionizing the way we think about video production. No longer do you need to be a tech wizard or a professional editor to create stunning videos. With AI.invideo.io, the power of artificial intelligence is at your fingertips, making the process seamless and incredibly efficient. It's like having a pro video editor without the hefty price tag. Traditional video editing can be costly and time-consuming, often requiring specialized skills and software that can set you back hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. But with AI.invideo.io, you get all the benefits of professional editing without the financial burden. Imagine the possibilities when you can create high-quality content without breaking the bank. Just type your prompt and voila, instant video magic. The AI takes your input and transforms it into a polished video in a matter of minutes. Whether you're creating content for social media, marketing campaigns, or personal projects, AI.invideo.io makes it incredibly easy to bring your vision to life. We all know the frustration of staring at a screen trying to piece together a video that just doesn't seem to come together. Imagine this. You're a content creator, but editing videos isn't your thing. No problem. With AI.invideo.io, you don't need to worry about the technical aspects of video production. The AI handles all the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating engaging content. With AI.invideo.io, you can whip up professional videos in seconds. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can still produce high-quality videos with ease. The intuitive interface guides you through the process, making it simple to create videos that look like they were made by a professional. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or any platform you love. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, AI.invideo.io is the perfect tool to help you grow your audience and increase your reach. The platform supports a wide range of formats and resolutions, so you can create videos that are optimized for any social media platform. And here's the kicker. You can earn money while you're at it. By creating high-quality videos, you can attract more viewers and increase your chances of monetizing your content. Whether you're looking to earn ad revenue, secure sponsorships, or sell your own products and services, AI.invideo.io can help you achieve your financial goals. Brands are always on the lookout for fresh, engaging content. As a content creator, you have the opportunity to collaborate with brands and create videos that resonate with their target audience. With AI.invideo.io, you can produce high-quality content that stands out and captures the attention of potential partners. Offer your video creation services, charge a fee, and watch the dollar roll in. As a freelancer, you can use AI.invideo.io to create videos for clients and charge a premium for your services. The platform's efficiency allows you to take on more projects and increase your earnings without sacrificing quality. Plus, it's super easy. The user-friendly interface and powerful AI make it simple to create professional videos, even if you have no prior experience. You can focus on your creativity and let the technology handle the rest. No technical skills needed. You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI.invideo.io. The platform is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. All you need is an idea, and the AI will take care of the rest. Just type your idea and let the AI do its magic. The AI uses advanced algorithms to analyze your input and generate a video that matches your vision. It's like having a personal video editor at your disposal, ready to bring your ideas to life. Now, let's dive deeper into how you can use AI.invideo.io to maximize your revenue. First, set up a YouTube channel if you haven't already. Make sure to enable monetization settings so you can start earning from ads. Regularly check your analytics to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Another great way to earn money is through Patreon. Create a Patreon account and set up membership tiers. Offer exclusive content, early access, or behind-the-scenes footage to your patrons. Promote your Patreon on your social media platforms to attract more supporters. Consider creating an online course. Use AI.invideo.io to produce high-quality video lessons. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable are great for hosting your course. Promote your course through your social media channels and email list to drive sales. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Promote these products in your videos and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your links. Don't forget about merchandise. Create a merchandise store using platforms like Teespring or Merch by Amazon. Design products that resonate with your audience and promote them in your videos. This can be a great way to earn additional income. Collaborating with brands can also be highly profitable. Reach out to brands that align with your content and negotiate sponsorship deals. Create sponsored content that feels authentic and engaging to your audience. Integrate your videos into a blog. Set up a blog and write content that complements your videos. Embedding your videos in blog posts can help drive traffic to your YouTube channel and increase your ad revenue. Use social media to your advantage. Promote your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage with your followers and build a community around your content. A strong social media presence can significantly boost your video views and earnings. Build an email list. Create a newsletter to keep your audience updated on your latest videos and projects. Email marketing is a powerful tool for driving traffic to your videos and increasing your revenue. Continuously improve your skills. Attend online workshops and courses to learn new techniques and stay updated with the latest trends in video creation. Applying new skills can help you create better content and attract more viewers. Network with other content creators. Collaborate on projects and share ideas. Networking can open up new opportunities and help you grow your audience. Set goals and track your progress. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Consistency and perseverance are key to long-term success in content creation. Most importantly, enjoy the creative process. Find inspiration in your everyday life and stay motivated. Your passion and enthusiasm will shine through in your videos and attract more viewers. Join the community of successful content creators using i.invideo.io. Share your success stories and learn from others. The platform's community is a great source of support and inspiration. Plan your content calendar, organize your video ideas, and stay consistent with your uploads. A well-planned content strategy can help you maintain a steady flow of videos and keep your audience engaged. Explore new video formats and experiment with different styles. Keeping your content fresh and diverse can help you stand out and attract a wider audience. Reflect on your journey and see how far you've come. Look at your past videos and appreciate your growth over time. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Feel accomplished and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Achieving financial success through your creativity is incredibly fulfilling. Thank your viewers and express your gratitude. Building a loyal audience is essential for long-term success. Your viewers are the reason you can turn your creativity into cash. Look forward to future projects and be excited about new opportunities. Embrace the challenges and continue to grow as a content creator. With AI.invideo.io, creating videos has never been easier. Enjoy the creative process and let the AI handle the rest. The possibilities are endless and the potential for success is within your reach. So, why wait? Start your journey with AI.invideo.io today and see how easy it is to create, share, and profit from your videos. Happy creating. The possibilities are endless and the potential for success is within your reach. Start your journey with AI.invideo.io and see how easy it is to create, share, and profit from your videos. Happy creating. In this video, we'll explore how you can earn money online using AI video generators. The future of content creation is here, and it's easier than ever to make engaging videos. With tools like ChatGPT and invideo, you can create 30 videos in just seconds, upload them to YouTube, and schedule them for the entire month. Imagine working for just 3 hours and having a month's worth of content ready to go. Plus, if you register through the link in the description, you'll get a 50% discount on your subscription. Stay tuned to learn more. Don't forget to register through the link in the description to get a 50% discount on your subscription.